everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, if you watch my video, my channel, may I ask subscribe. Yeah, as I'm building the channel from scratch so that I can bring you more recipes. Yes, click the like button, share, comment, and most of all, keep your notifications up so that if I upload a video, you can know that. So what did I make today? Oh my goodness, today I just made for you, yeah, a beautiful hibiscus tea. Yeah, hibiscus can be taken as a tea, it can be hot, or you can make it as a cold drink. Yes, so what are the benefits of hibiscus? Hibiscus is known for lowering cholesterol or blood pressure, or it can also be good for weight management. So usually I like to boil my hibiscus. This is a cup of hibiscus, dry hibiscus, and then boiled in water until it boiled, and then I strained it. So here we go, a beautiful hibiscus tea. Yeah, now we're gonna try this. Yes, I'm gonna say a little bit of grace, and then we can try that. Yes, Father, bless this in your name. Amen. Oh my God, look at that. That is so beautiful. Beautiful. You can have this with the friends. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So oh my goodness, this is so good. Yes. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my hibiscus tea, and everybody have a wonderful day. I ask you, may you subscribe, and I thank you for that. Keep watching until next time when I bring you another recipe or a drink or a salad. Again, this is hibiscus tea. Yeah? God bless. Bye-bye.